In this video, we are going to show you how to use skills-based routing in Zendesk. Now, if you want to do this, all you need to do is, of course, sign into your Zendesk account. And once you are in your dashboard, you want to look at the upper left corner of your screen. For us, it's going to be support. If you click the drop-down menu, at the very bottom, you want to click on Admin Center. And once you do, it's going to open a new tab over here. And once it's loaded up, you want to look again on the left hand side. This is practically going to be your main menu. So if you hover your mouse here, you want to click in objects and rules like so. These new options or menu will appear. You want to scroll down a bit until you see business rules. Now under business rules, you want to click on skills like so, right? Once you click on skills, you can now add a new skill type, and this is practically how you set up skills-based routing. So again, click new skill type and just enter skill type here, and you just set up a new skill and you'll be able to do skill-based routing in Zendesk. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.